tugging at my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas. It's cold outside.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. On today's video, we will show you how to make 2 styles of ornaments. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching.
Chasing each other to and fro, laughing all the way.
I'm not really sure what to call this, but it's a piece of wire that's a circle, which you could probably find it at the hardware store. I'm pretty sure I've seen it at Home Depot before. And then we have the snowflakes, the wooden snowflakes. They come from Hobby Lobby and they came in a pack. We have the Podge. We have the paintbrush. So let's get started. If you want to keep the snowflake thin, then you skip this part, but we are doing this part because we want a thicker snowflake. We're using the water because we want it to thin it out and give it more of a whitewash look. We're just cleaning up the snowflake, removing any paint that may be trapped inside of the creases of the snowflake. So now we are applying the snow. So don't get the snow confused with the glitter, because this process here, we are putting the snow onto the snowflake to give it more of that snowy look. The final touch, we are applying glitter to the snowflake, and You can use as much glitter as you desire when you are making your snowflake. this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you on our next video. Bye.
Till he appeared and the spirit felt its way.